In this video, I'll be going over my Amazon KDP August 2024 income report. So first, let's start with ads. I actually did not run any ads, and I currently haven't run ads since August 2023. And it's mostly just due to lack of time and extra finances that I want to put towards ads. I just don't really have the time to devote to them, so I don't feel like I should spend the money if I can't really spend the time working on them, if that makes sense. And moving on over to orders. So I had a total of 94 orders. This is basically all organic sales. I don't do any sort of advertising. I might occasionally post about some books on social media to like friends and family or on this YouTube account, things like that. But most of the time, I don't really do any sort of advertising. So these should just be organic sales. And let's just change this view here. So my highest day is August 6th at 8 orders. And I actually had a sale every single day, at least one. So very, very happy about that. And my lowest looks like it's probably one. There's multiple days that I only had one book. But either way, super grateful and very thankful for that. And I will be going over what books actually sold, what ones were in my top 10, and I'll be doing that when I'm on the royalties page. So first, the niche that majority of my books are. So I have 271 books. Well, I will not say a majority of all my books because I don't think I have 100 of these yet. I think I'm in the 90s or something. So the niche is scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, and this is where majority of my sales come from. So moving on over here, I do have my own stand store currently, and I have a scrapbook, craft paper pad, or craft paper success guide. I also have a few other things for sale as well in case you're interested. So this course is currently $77 at the time of making this video, and basically it's a course on how to actually start making money in this niche with KDP. Obviously, I can't guarantee results as everybody's results are different. It depends on your strategy, how hard you work, how many books you have. Like, there's so many different variables to it. You can work extremely hard and still not make a ton of money. Sometimes you just need to change one thing. And that's kind of what happened with me. I published probably over 100 notebooks. I was working so many hours, so hard, and I was learning so much, and I just wasn't making any money. And it was very, very discouraging. So if you're in that position right now, please don't be discouraged. I get how tough it is, but it's going to be okay. You might just need to find a different niche, or you might just need to tweak like your keywords. Like it might just be something that is really simple to fix, and I really, really hope that you start making money with KDP. So anyways, back to this course. If you're interested in learning how to get started in this niche, I cover all of that in this course. You'll also get a different email that you can reach me directly at. So it's not my business email because my business email is for business inquiries only. This will be a separate email that you only get available in the course, and it's a way to contact me directly in case you have any questions at all or want some clarity on something. It's just another way to gain more information about KDP. So the course covers an intro, niche and keyword research, an interior and cover creation tutorial, an over-the-book creation video, some tools, copyright, trademark information, and then bonus content. And there's just so much in here, and I have worked very, very hard on this course. So thank you so much to everyone who has already purchased it, but in case you're interested, I'll have the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Moving over to royalties, so $223.07. I've been around the $200 mark for a little bit now. My current highest month is over $500 with KDP, and that was August 2023, I believe. So I was really hoping this month was going to be a lot more because August typically is like my highest month. However, not this year because I do have some higher months for this year already. But I'm still overall pretty happy with this. This is organic sales. And I haven't really created many books. I think I've created like 2 maybe so far this whole year. So I really haven't been creating a ton, and I'm not running ads right now, so that's probably why I have lower sales. And right now my highest day, or it looks like my highest day for this month, August 2023, is August 6th, which is almost $20. And then lowest would be one of the days where I had one book sell. It looks like August 19th, probably around $2 or a little over $2. something like that or in that area. But overall, I am pretty happy with this. And then, so in my top 10, I'll show top 10 for orders. My top 10 is mainly scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, and then I believe I also have a coupon book in the top 10. And then going back over to royalties, same thing, scrapbook paper, craft paper pad for the main niche or niche that has book selling for my top 10. And then I think number 10 is the coupon book. I have that one priced lower, like I did a lower royalty on it, so it is lower on the list than on the orders, just because the royalty is lower on it, but that's okay. And then as far as any other books that sold, I only sold two other books that weren't that scrapbook paper, craft paper pad, and those are both notebooks actually. And I was pretty surprised because I don't typically sell notebooks, and I believe one of them sold 3 times and one of them sold twice, and I'm just really, really happy about that. So aside from that, it's all the scrapbook paper and craft paper pad niche, which is where majority of all of my sales come from. And then I'll just show you currently this year, in case you're curious, kind of where I'm trending and how my business is currently doing. So this is my current royalties, and let's start with orders. I currently have 1,005 orders for this year. It's currently September 8th, so January 1st to September 8th, 2024. And I have been turning downwards, but that's okay. It's been kind of leveling out around the 80 to 100 mark for orders. And then to royalties, I'm over $2,000. And again, I'm trending around that $200 mark right now. But I'm really hoping to start getting this income up again. I just need to have some extra time to be able to work on KDP. But I probably created 2 books or so this year, and I'm not running ads, so it made sense that I might not be making as much. January so far is my highest month for 2024, and I believe I made over $400. And then I think I was over 300 in February and March. I'm not sure about April. And then May, June, July, and August were all in the $200 range. So I'm glad that it's leveling out and it's not continuing to go down. So I'm really hoping that I can start getting back up to that $300, $400, $500 plus mark every month. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this. And just to show like how much my top 10 books make. So my top 10 is 712 out of 1,005 orders, and then $1,609.52 out of $2,323.70. So you don't need to have hundreds of books to make sales with KDP. All you need really is one book. And just keep working at it and do your best. And I hope this video is inspiring. I don't post this to brag or anything like that. This is a good amount of money for somebody in my current financial position. This helps me a lot, having an extra 200 something dollars a month. And I know to some people it may not seem like a lot, but to others like myself, it is a lot of money, and it definitely helps out. So hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd love to know how Amazon KDP is going for you. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this